What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be using this DJI RS3. We're going to teach you how to set it up and how to properly use it for car videography. Let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, you want to bring your gimbal to a flat, even surface area. Then you want to go ahead and unlock the tilt axis. And you would unscrew this lever to adjust it up or down, so that when you point it in any direction, it stays in position. Next, you want to unlock the roll axis, and you open this lever here to adjust it left or right. So that way when you put it on its left side or its right side and it stays in position, you know it's balanced correctly. And finally, you want to unlock the pan axis, and you open this lever here to adjust it front or back, so that when you put it on its side, it stays in position. And this is how you know you have your gimbal properly balanced. So now you can go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so first things first, you want to go ahead and go into the DJI app. Then you want to go ahead and go into user profile. Now on the side of your gimbal, you have three options. You have FPV, PTF, and PF. For all three of these, my settings are pretty much the same. So for follow speed, pan, tilt, and roll, it's 45. For deadband, pan, tilt, and roll is 5. Next, you want to go into motor parameters, and then you want to go ahead and click auto tune. So this will go ahead and set the motors to the proper settings for the weight that's on the gimbal. And this is pretty much how you get the best settings out of your gimbal for car videography. These are the settings I use, and it works amazing. Alright, so we're in pan follow right now. This is pretty much the most basic one you can use on this gimbal, or any gimbal for that matter. It's pretty much just pan forward, pan backwards, pan left, pan right. Very basic, easy gimbal moves that I think you should just practice first. So now we're gonna go ahead and get some example shots. Alright, so now we're in PTF mode, which is pan, tilt, follow. So this gives you a little bit more dynamic shots, as you can do like revealing shots. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some examples now. Alright guys, now we're in FPV mode, so this is pretty much, you have control of the roll axis, pan, tilt, pretty much everything. So you can go roll, you can go tilt, and then you can go pan. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you some shot examples. That's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. If you learned something, please leave a comment down below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. But yeah, it's pretty much how you set up your gimbal for car videography. If you're just starting, go ahead and just start in PF mode, which is pan follow. It's definitely the easiest to learn in. And as you get better, go into FPV, which gives you more of a dynamic shots. Definitely a lot harder to use, but yeah guys, appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.